Hi guys, so in this video I'll also be showing you a tool on Kali Linux where you can gather email addresses on organizations, companies, and this is just like another way of doing this compared to using this website, which is on onta.io. So basically this can just be done on Kali Linux's terminal. So you just need to, first thing first is you have to open up your terminal. And yeah, so once you've got the terminal open, you just have to click on the tool. You just need to type in the tool rather, it's called the Harvester. Yep, so just the Harvester, just like this. So, and you can see right here, this is just the tool like all loaded up now. And it's actually right here talking about the usage. So what this means is actually how to use this tool basically. So this is just like the usage, just like how you have to just like get it to work on Kali Linux's terminal. So this is the usage. It's just like giving you just what the command should be basically. But to make it much more clear, I'll just this is just like something you really need to get used to. So it's just that whenever you like maybe using a new tool on Kali Linux, or maybe you just heard about it, you want to try it out and things like that, but you're just not sure on what to do and stuff like that. So what you just need to do is you just need to type in the name of the tool and --help. So I'll just give you a sample right now. So this tool right here is called the Harvester. So I might as well just type in, let's just assume I'm a noob, like I don't know how the Harvester works. So for me to just like get a good grip on it, what I need to do is just to type in this right here. So the Harvester, just the name of the tool. Then I might as well just have a space bar, then just type in --help, which is HELP. So just the name of the tool, and then give it a space bar, then --help. Then it's just like gives you like this user manual kind of thing. So just it's the enter key on your keyboard. And yeah, you can see it right here. This is just the usage, and right, so you can see it's just trying to explain the tool to us now, right, actually. So it's saying the Harvester is used to gather open source intelligence on a company or domain. You can see it right here, where I just highlighted basically. So it's also giving you the options, which is -h or --help and things like that. So it just like pops up, what's it called, just like the user manual and stuff. So it's actually telling you what -d means, because you see right here with the usage is telling you to just type in the Harvester -d. So what it's trying to tell you is just that -d means the domain, and it's also explaining it to you like company name or the domain to search. Then -l, just this usage just tells us it stands for limits, but with --help, it's actually explaining what it really means, and which is just like limit the number of search results, and the default is 500, and there's -s, which is just start and things like that. And so this is just like basically just need to make sure whenever you're lost, or maybe you're just like quite unsure about a particular tool, just make it like a normal practice. You just like type in the name of the tool, then -h or --help really, so as it really works. So right now yeah, sorry about that. So right now we want to just gather just like email addresses on a company on Western Union. So what we need to do right now is just type in the name of the tool originally, the Harvester. We're just like following this guideline right here. So, and then we can use a spacebar /d. Then you have to type in a space, just not really type in a space, just the name of the tool -d. Then you have to just like just give it an input basically, which is just the name of this domain really. So it's westernunion.com, right? So, and I don't want to change limits because the default is 500, and it's also talking about something here, which is basically towards the end, it's -b basically. And actually there's more to the to this tool basically that meets the eye, so I should just like take the time to explain it. So with the usage, you've seen all the commands and things, and there's a -elf, which is a file name, so which means you can just run the tool and save the results to an XML or JSON file, things like that. So this tool is capable of doing that as well. So, and I also think I made a mistake with my command here. I just typed Western Union .co, and whereas it should be .com, so spacebar, and this -b was the M stands for the source basically. So this is just like a wide variety of sources where this tool can just like perform the search from. You can perform it from binary ed, Bing, I'm sure there's DuckDuckGo, GitHub Code, Google, Akata, just like LinkedIn and things like that. So there's just a lot really. So it might be a bit like dicey to just select maybe just Google, so that means whatever result is coming from Bing or from DuckDuckGo, we won't be getting it. So I mean, the best thing to do right now is just to make sure, we want to make sure we are getting like the best result possible, and that also means we have to just like make sure it's just like looks through all these sources really. So we've got the harvester here -d, and we've inputted our domain name. So the last thing now is just to select the source it's going to scan from basically. So we might as well just type in -b, and remember -b stands for source really. So I might as well just select Google, I might select DuckDuckGo, I might select buffer overrun and sources like that, but for me I'll just select all really. So which means for the source right now is I want it to search through every possible source. So that's just it really. So you just need to just hit the enter key, and don't worry about all of this. It's still trying to search. You see it's searching Anubis now, it's searching DNS dumpster, searching OTX, searching CRTSH is actually also like a massive tool I'll also be reviewing soon. So it's just like trying to search through all of these things, basically all of these big websites and things. So this might take as much as 5, 10, 15 minutes. So I'll just pause the video, and I'll just pause the recording actually, and I'll continue once the search is done. Alright guys, so this search is actually like completed now, so we'll just look through the results in a bit, and I'll just scroll to the top and yeah, just see what I can find really. So there's actually like quite a lot of things that popped up, and I believe that was because we just selected -all for the sources really. So right here we've got what's it called, it's quite a lot of interesting things, but it also found interesting URLs and things like that. So these are like things to look at, but since I'm just talking about email address gathering right here, so I'll just stick to I'll just stick to search results on email address gathering. So yep, so it actually found quite a lot of what's it called, it found a lot of users on LinkedIn that works with Western Union and things, but that's actually like something that's could be interesting, but because we are slightly unbothered about that, we just want to check out email addresses really. So we'll just scroll down so we can find that. So I'm still trying to find email addresses really, but there's just so much results, like yeah, it's just really messy really. So now I'm sure it's actually quite up here. Right, so to some extent basically I can't seem to find any email address of their staffs, but what I can find right here is just LinkedIn users, so which is basically people that works like within Western Union and things. So there's actually something interesting you need to understand about penetration testing or ethical hacking, and that thing is just that no tool is ever enough. So in a previous video I reviewed a tool called Harvester. Was it? I think it was Hunter. Yeah, Hunter. Currently I'm using Harvester. So in this tool called Hunter.io. So it actually showed me quite a lot of things, which was basically one of the things was basically the email address formats. But the thing was Hunter.io, it actually gave me just minimum results and wanted me to upgrade to see, you know, much more result basically. But I'll just possibly just show you what Hunter.io looks like in a second. Right, so this is just Hunter.io right now. So it gave me a couple of you know, results basically, but it said there's 323 more results for westernunion.com, but I need to upgrade. So now that's one tool on its own. Then here's another tool, the Harvester, and it showed me like names of their stuffs and things like that. So to connect the dots really is actually quite straightforward, because I've gotten like all their, like, you know, first name and last name, things like that. I just need to come to what's it called, the Harvester, to just what's it called, to just so I just need to come to Hunter actually. Sorry, I'm getting them mixed up really. To just look for, like, to just connect the dots basically. And Hunter.io is actually telling me about a pattern Western Union staff uses basically. So this is actually just their first dot last name at westernunion.com. So that's just like their normal, what's it called, email address, like pattern basically. So Dino Leo, his email address is just dino.leo, Connie Yip, Connie.yip, and things like that. So if we just go back to our terminal basically, we've gotten like quite a lot of things to take away from that. So I might as well just tell you for this for Angel basically, the Angel will possibly, Angel's email address probably be angel.ella@westernunion.com. So it's as straightforward as that. But supposing we got limited to just one tool, which is just Hunter.io, of course we'll be limited to the amount of results we'll find. And supposing we're just like, yeah, oh yeah, let's just use the Harvester, we'll probably get this without like a clear path or a clear direction on how to just utilize it. So guys, I hope you do not find this video confusing, and I hope it's actually super clear. And for the sake of this video as well, I'll be dropping a link to reviewing what's it called, Hunter.io. I'll be dropping a link to the video where I reviewed Hunter.io as well. So I just hope you find this helpful and just, you know, understand how important it is to just like combine multiple tools when it comes to just like trying out penetration testing and etc. You can't just be reliant on just one tool, because there's actually like quite a lot out there, and you just need to make use of everything. Like, you know, you just need to explore it all and just like, you know, just like connect the dots basically with every single tool. So with the results you find in every single tool. So that will be all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and just please like, subscribe, comment if you found it helpful and things like that, whether the comment is positive, whether it's, you know, it's just like a bit like, you know, telling me I could do better. Of course it will be greatly appreciated. So thank you so much guys.